Hi everyone! Happy school holiday! This school holiday coincided with the traditional Moon Festival. The Moon Festival is held on the 15th day of the 8th month of the Chinese lunar calendar, when the moon is believed to be the brightest and the fullest of the whole year. It is a traditional festival officially celebrated in China since the Tang Dynasty of the 7th century. It originated from mid-autumn agricultural harvests and the royalties making offerings to the full moon as early as 2,000 years ago. The Moon Festival is also celebrated in many other Asian countries. The Moon Festival is associated with the story of Chang'e. You probably have heard about her or about the story. It is about how Chang'e became the moon goddess. Chang'e was the beloved wife of the legendary archer Hou Yi, who shot down 9 suns from the sky and saved the earth from scorching. The couple loved each other and lived a very happy life. However, one day Chang'e had by chance swallowed the elixir of life given by the Queen Mother of the West and became an immortal. She floated up into the Moon Palace and stayed there ever since. On the big moon day, especially the Moon Festival, people say you could see her shadow on the moon. There are many customs associated with the festival. Perhaps the biggest one is about the family reunion. The largest extended families would often gather together on this occasion and have a family banquet dining. Mooncake is the traditional offering to the moon goddess as well as the delicacy during the festival. It often matches up with a cup of Chinese tea. Apart from moon appreciation and mooncakes, there's also lantern display. Chinese lantern has a long tradition. In ancient times, lanterns were used as lighting tools, just like a lamp. Nowadays, lanterns have become a handcraft and ornamentals. People light the Moon Festival lanterns to symbolize family reunion and to pray for good fortune. Today, we're going to show you how to make one with toilet paper rolls. Are you ready? Here we go! Thank you for watching. Happy school holiday, happy Moon Festival from the Chinese Garden team.